Hey, this is Taylor with Truck World RVA. Have here a 2012 Ford F-550 four-wheel drive 6.7 diesel. It's got just over 115,000 miles on it. 11-foot Palfinger service body, hydraulic outriggers. It's got a 43/29 crane, so it's 29-foot maximum boom, and it's an 8,000-pound maximum capacity. Hydraulic air compressor mounted on the driver's side there. Tow hitch receiver. It's got one set of drawers in the bed. Everything else is just shelving. Truck came to us out of Texas, so pretty well rust-free underneath. Bins are all in good shape. Service bed has some rock chipping here and there, but overall the paint's pretty clean. If you have any questions or want to see anything else up close, feel free to call or text 804-716-8487. I'm going to go around and just point out all the cosmetic imperfections on the truck. Then I'll do a operation demonstration later on in the video. If that's what you're interested in, feel free to just skip ahead. We also have about 60-70 photos online, so that should give you a good idea of what the truck looks like as well. Obviously, it is a used truck. We do our best to kind of show everything that you'd possibly want to see on it. So if there's anything that we missed or that you want a little more close-up image of, feel free to call or text 804-716-8487. As you can see, the condition of the paint's really good. You can see my reflection there in the service body. You do have some rock chips here and there, some scratches, which I'll try to get videos of here. Kind of what you would expect on a service body. Nothing crazy or outside the ordinary, nothing really concerning. I just want to point all that stuff out to you. And the bumper obviously has a little bit more scratches, as well as the tailgate. There's your air hose back here. Your hydraulic outriggers. There's your crane remote. It's wireless. And your reel. This side's just shelving. You got the tall bins up front for your tanks. Like I said, bins are all nice and dry, no rust issues there. All the doors close and latch nicely. The interior's in pretty good shape here. No rips or tears in the seat. Floor is all pretty nice. That glare is really hard to deal with here. You can see it's four-wheel drive. It's got the manual four-wheel drive. There's your PTO switch. Does have cruise control, power locks, power windows. Some staining there on the headliner. Coming around to this side. This time of day is tough with the sun, but you can kind of get the picture. And like I said, if there's anything you don't get a good enough view of here, I can always send you any more information or pictures or whatever you might want. You got this scratch top and bottom on this driver's side front compartment, and then this side definitely caught more rock chips than the other side. Again, it's nothing terrible, but you can see kind of scattered up there, here, right here, down here. Some of the door edges here. This is the compartment with the drawers. So they're varying in depth. You can see you got the real skinny ones up top and some deeper ones on the bottom. This one is missing the handle. You can still pull it out just doesn't have the handle across it there, but and this one does not want to stay in. They have these little tabs here. That one doesn't want to stay up. Those are your drawers on this side. All right, so that's about it. Like I said, it's 2012, four-wheel drive, 6.7, 8,000-pound crane. And we'll get into the crane demonstration and do a startup video for you here as well.